The creative mistakes that attract low quality leads in your real estate ads. Kung napapansin mo na puro low quality leads ang pumapasok sa real estate ads mo, malamang may problema sa creatives mo. Mistake number 1, generic photos. Yung tipong sobrang madilim, blurry o walang context yung creatives mo. Kapag hindi maintindihan ng tao kung ano yung binebenta mo, pumasok man sila, hindi sila serious. Mas lalo na ngayon with Meta Andromeda, kung generic ang creative mo, generic din ang buyers na darating. Mistake number 2, no clear details o walang clarity, walang malinaw na details. If your ad doesn't show the location, the property type, yung mga key features ng property mo, Facebook can't read the signal properly. The AI won't know what kind of buyer you want. Kapag malabo ang details mo, malabo rin ang leads mo. Mistake number 3, weak hook or no unique selling point. Kung pare-pareho lang ang itsura ng ad mo sa ibang agents, walang recall, walang impact, walang edge, your unique selling point is what makes your ad stand out. It tells the buyer ito ang dahilan kung bakit dapat mong tingnan ang property na to. Without a strong hook or unique selling point, ang papasok is low intent curiosity, hindi serious buyers. So kung gusto mo ng high quality leads, ayusin mo muna yung creative mo. Clear visuals, clear details, clear unique selling point. Because sa Meta ngayon, your creative is your targeting.